want to bring an interesting fact about letter E and letter A sounds, that kids often get confused with the pronunciation. So it is letter A. Letter A makes the sound A. Can you see my lips? A, 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 A. And when it comes to the letter E, it's eh, eh, eh. Your mouth is open wide. Your mouth is wide open when you say letter A, like a, pan, cat. But when you say letter E, it is like slightly open. Pet, set. So here you see that we have the first and the last letter same, and the letter in the middle is changed. See, and it will change the pronunciation as well as the meaning of the word. So let's see the difference. S, at, s, at, sat, s, et, s, et, set, p, at, pat, p, et, pet, p, a, n, pan, p, e, n, pen. So we have two different magic wand here, and in, and in. So please keep it in mind that when we say a, if you see the face of a child, you will automatically understand that the pronunciation is right or wrong. So if it is a, it's letter A. If it is eh, it is letter E.